And we are back with another video. As you can see by the title of this, we are going to be using probably the most expensive poles that you can buy
on the market right now
to catch fish. So yeah, we're going to be using Barbie poles, or I mean kids poles, whatever, youth pole, whatever.
My Little
you call
Pony,
it.
Paw Patrol, whatever you
Yeah,
want
of
to call
course,
it.
I got the Paw Patrol. You already know the vibes, which I'm going to throw that
Pony.
clip up after this. So yeah, we're going to keep this short and sweet. Obviously, today's video, by the title, we're going to be using kids poles to hopefully catch
some monsters.
Largies, baby.
We got some overcast weather here, a little bit of sprinkles, but you already know the vibes. We're gonna rip some lips.
Yeah, we're finna rip some lips. So let's get into it. Hopefully you guys do enjoy the video. And as always, enjoy the outdoors. Go. All right, guys, we're picking up the Barbie poles today. Obviously, me and Andrew are doing the challenge. So Andrew's going to get My Little Pony, and I'm going to get Paw Patrol. So you already know what the vibes are. Okay, guys, real quick. I know the lighting's not very good. I'm relining this because the other line that was on it was terrible. I could break it with my hand. So night before, and trying to line this bad girl up so we can get ready for tomorrow, so we can just get right out on the water and, you know, catch some 5-pounders on this little Barbie rod, you know what I mean? Well, Paw Patrol rod. Okay, gotta tighten up the drag a little. Okay, there we go. Now she's getting somewhere, baby. Let's go. All right, guys, just tied up for tomorrow. Be throwing this guy right here, the kid casters. Yeah, I know the vibes. This is probably gonna catch me a few like 6 or 7 pounders, I would assume. So yeah. It's unlocked.
Yes, it is, bro. Oh, it's raining. Unlock the door.
Well, halfway to the lake. Forgot the
Paddles. Take a break.
Real quick before we get going,
The rules.
we wanted to show you guys basically kind of the rules and what we're doing. Today we're doing biggest fish wins on the Barbie rod, okay? So the biggest fish the biggest fish wins. Andrew's got his scale, so you will see us throwing these, okay?
Frogs, because
Doesn't count for
Show
anything.
them around.
Frog season, baby.
There's so many pads everywhere, so it's gonna be hard for just using the Barbie rod. So we're gonna see a good patch of lily pads, throw a frog on there.
Yeah, so that's
They
not
don't
going to count
though.
for the challenge or anything. It's just going to be extra fish to show you guys. So
I just have fun.
yeah,
Have fun frog fishing.
hopefully extra fish to show you guys. So yeah, we're going to get right out there and let's get right to it.
All right, guys, what we're using today is the old My Little Pony setup.
Oh yeah.
I think this costed about $200 or so. Pretty expensive little setup, but
It was 280.
280.
Yep.
Huh. But yeah, we got the old Texas rig weighted Senko on there with a black and blue color on there. See what we can pull out of the old wake. First cast, looking like a blast. Yes, sir. That shit was gas.
Get into it, boys.
God, this is gonna be so hard.
I feel so weird, bro. Don't you?
Yeah.
No. Yo, I just got hit, bro.
No way.
Wait.
That one. No way. Jordan's got the first fish of the day on.
Yeah, I don't think we need to get away on him. No. All right, guys. Back to the dinks, I guess. Hopefully not. But got a little guy. First on the Barbie odd. Oh yeah. See ya. If they're little, you're not even gonna feel them because the line's so stiff. Because the pole's so stiff. Bro. In Spiderland. I'll fuck with it. Bro, are you fucking... Oh my fucking god, bro. Nah, I'm cutting it. Nah. Oh, nah, get me the f out of here, bro. Nah. Nah, bro. Oh my god. Oh yeah, probably. No, it. Like this. It's on that stick.
The one like closest to you?
Sticking straight up. Nah. Nope. Go get it, bro. Go paddle over there. Go look at the fire.
I don't see it.
The thing was the size of a dollar coin.
Is that him in the water?
Where?
Over on the backside of that tree?
I don't see it. Oh, he's right there.
Oh, I see him.
On the back. Oh! You see him?
No, I don't.
He went in the water.
Did he?
Mm-hmm. Come on.
Oh, God.
Yeah. I'm trying to like not cut as much as I had.
Yeah, we really are little kids, aren't we?
We're kind of pussies, not gonna lie. Kind of pussies, but I don't f them, bro. I just don't. Bro, I was just chilling and then I just looked down and I'm like, nah. Bro.
I saw the game, bro. I was just trying to get my shit off the log and I look over and he's looking at me go.
Eh. Not gonna happen. I got one, bro. I got one, bro. I got one, bro. No, he spit it. No, drag.
Was it a nice one?
Yeah, it was like a one at least, bro. My fucking drag. I watched it. No. No. Why, bro? Alright guys, I just retied. I got this little swimmer on. See if little paddle tail, see if I can't hook up to something because we're just trying to try new things. What we're throwing isn't working. We're gonna try to go out deep a little bit as well to see if maybe they're just out deep, but with the cool weather today, I'd be shocked if they didn't move up to feed a little bit, but I guess we'll see.
Alright, from personal experiences, I think there's a fish back here. Let's see if we can get him on the old buzzer toad. See what happens on the old My Little Pony rod. Oh, damn. Oh, there's a fish right over there, actually. Got one. Got one. Jordan. Oh, it came off. Lose it. Fucking lose it.
Wow, that scared me. Yo! I just got slammed by a pickerel. Scared the shit out of me.
Oh yeah, big and nope. Wait, I got one. I actually got one. Wait, what? What is that? Oh, it's a fucking pickerel, bro. I mean, a pickerel. All right, guys. I had no clue I had a fish on there. I'm not gonna lie, no idea. Jeez, can you stop? I'm trying to help you, bro. God, these things are fucking gross. Look at my hands; they're all slimy. Jeez, God, dude, stop! This guy is bugging, bro. I'm trying to get the goddamn hook out of you. Oh, I almost hit my finger. Look at the teeth on him, bro. That would not be fun. Dude, pickerel doesn't count. My hands are slimy as all hell, bro. Well, that makes me feel a little better that I caught a fish, at least. I've been sitting here freaking 1,000 casts later, haven't caught anything. Got a pickerel at least. Got one. I think it's a bass. It's a nice bass. No, we spit it, bro. That was nice. But that was a big one. Dude, how? These fucking poles, bro. You can't do that was huge actually. For this pole, bro, that was probably a 3-pounder. Dude, what the fuck? That was a nice fish. The mouth on that thing was huge.
Size of a quarter. I see my shit, bro. Come on. Maybe this will work. Oh, let's. You got it? I'm a genius. Nah, nope. Dude, ah! You saw it.
That wasn't quite big.
Oh, fuck. Alright, we can't be fucking. We can't be negative, man.
Got one.
Let's go, baby.
Come on, get in the boat. Get in the boat.
Oh, oh! Come on, come on.
Come on, please. Hold him on there. Come on.
That's good, that's good.
Come on.
Not bad.
Come on. No. Bro. Come on.
Of course, bro. Of course it was you. The fucking shit pole. Shit. Why, bro?
Bro, why, bro? Why can't we just fucking catch
You.
Bro, I'm gonna fucking lose my shit, bro. 2 nice ones in this fucking last 15 minutes.
That was a good one, bro.
That was a good. Gone.
You should have just changed. We could change line on the beach.
Nah, bro, I'm a rebel.
Bro, that'll take us 2 minutes.
Nah,
Let's
I'm
just change it.
There's gotta be a fish. Slow her down all that. Fish finesse. Knew it. I knew it.
Dude, that's
Son of a good. Bro, I think I have tremors, honestly.
This one died.
Come on, right off that dock. Come on now.
This one died on Fizzy.
Oh, fizzy blizzy big.
What's wrong with you?
Is that a fish, bro?
You got him?
Oh, it is, bro.
You got him?
Come on.
Is it?
Come on.
Let's
Got him.
Let's go.
Not a giant, but
We're taking it. We're taking it to the beach. You get bop bop boo. Beep beep boop bop bop. I think you need to drink. Yo, you got some nasty toe hair, bro.
Oh my god. It's going away. Oh god.
Just snapped it.
Gone.
You should have just changed. We could change line on the beach.
Nah, bro, I'm a rebel. I'm gonna lose it, bro. Oh my god, I'm gonna lose it, bro. I'm gonna freak the out. Oh my god, I'm gonna freak.
Yeah, we're changing that.
Yeah, we're changing this. Bro, I'm gonna
Damn, poor guy's got a hook in his throat.
fucking
We don't got a thumbnail.
Bro, I'm gonna lose it.
No! I just got snapped off. With my frog. What?
An Alaskan,
Yeah!
Alaskan Australian bush spider.
Alaska in Australia bush?
Yep.
What's that?
It's a mix between Alaskan Australian bush spider.
Oh. Oh, never heard of that before.
Can't believe it.
Noni?
Les poissons. Les poissons, les poissons. Na 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 na. Hey, hey, hey.
There's gonna be a bass sitting on there up in these pads up in here.
Goodbye.
He's not gonna lie.
Got him, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. I can't even tell. Come on, bro. Wait, huh? Nah, there's no way. It was moving, bro.
It looks like it was moving.
Didn't it?
Oh no.
We can literally not figure these fish out, guys. We've been out here for like 5 hours. We've tried a bunch of different stuff. I've tried like 4 or 5 different swim baits and wacky rig and Texas rig and just a bunch of different type of stuff, and we just can't make it happen. I don't understand. This is like our go-to lake if we were trying to catch a lot, and we can't. We're just not. Like, we've missed a few fish, yeah, but like the bite is just so off and we can't figure it out. I even went out deep in the middle for like an hour and a half fishing the deepest part, and I didn't get a single bite out there. So I don't know, man. Shit's weird. I think we completely misjudged how easy this was gonna be. Like, we've missed like several fish just from not being able to set the hook with these rods. Like, it's kind of brutal. But we're still out here. We've been out here for like 5 hours and going on 6, and we're just trying to catch fish. So yeah, we'll keep you guys updated. Well, just got back. We're about to take the kayaks off after a long day of hell. Yeah, so here's the old rod. Never again. All right, Joe, and this is going to wrap it up. Hopefully you guys enjoyed somewhat
Of the video.
Obviously, as you saw, it was a tough go, and we've been talking about it today. You guys probably did notice that we did miss an upload on Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. It's about, what, 5 something? And
5 o'clock almost.
yeah, and we have nothing. We have nothing to post. There's no way.
hard.
Yeah,
We've been
there's no way I'd be
struggling.
able to get all the clips and stuff to post tonight. So, with that being said, sorry that we missed another upload. I know a few of you have said, like, you know, it is what it is. It's okay if we miss an upload. So
We don't mess with it though.
we just
don't
hate
really
doing
like
it. We hate doing it, but honestly. So yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Better days ahead, boys.
Hopefully.
Better days ahead.
Better days are coming.
So yeah, that's gonna wrap it up. Again, better days are coming. Until next time, enjoy the outdoors.